Here, they do a taste test review of Pennsylvania Dutch Candies S'mores flavored cotton candy. I paid $4.50 for this, and I got it at Shelby's in the mall, which is a candy store. And there's some nutritional facts for it. I paid $4.50 for this. Like it was like I bought two different flavors of this, but I'll do review that maybe next couple days. So yeah, it's two for $9. So it was like $4.50 for this. I'm always interested in trying new flavors of cotton candy, so let's try this one out. Alright, here we go. Um, it's okay. Uh, I want to say it's my favorite, but I still enjoyed it. But yeah, um, but yeah, still my favorite is the Dr Pepper flavored cotton candy. Uh, but yeah, but this would be an interesting choice for cotton candy flavor. I'm always on the lookout for new flavors, cotton candy. Uh, I did like the taste of it. Uh, it's tasted like a s'more, I guess, but yeah. Uh, I could definitely taste some more flavor to it. I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10 score. So yeah, definitely would try again in the near future. If I run into it again, but yeah, definitely try it out. So what would think? Would you try this? Yes or no? And appreciate you watching. And if you have other suggestions for other candies or other junk food, because I'm always trying to do reviews on that kind of stuff, let me know. And thank you for watching. Bye now.